welcome back to my channel. So during this video I'm going to be sharing with you all what I received in my December's Lurella box, and this is the December 2023 box, and it has some goodies in this box. I love Lurella's subscription boxes. So we're going to get started and not waste any more time wasting dropping stuff. That's me. So for starters, the norm you'll get is a card insert with what's inside the box. The value of the box is $60. The subscription, I believe, is $29.99, because that's what the last I knew it was. And I've been subscribed for over a year or so now with Lurella, so I don't think it has gone up. I'm not 100% sure. I don't think it has. But this month's theme is Christmas, but it has Bunny Reds on the cards for this month. So I'm just going to go ahead and share with you all what I received in my box. And again, this box retails for $60. So we're going to start out with the Reindeer eyeshadow palette, which came in this huge case box. And this is the actual Reindeer palette. Now, one thing I can say that they have done differently in the last couple of months is switch their packaging for their eyeshadow palettes. Now, I know I'm used to the more thicker flip-flop open shut cases, but lately they've been two pieces, such as this one, and it does has a mirror. I just don't want to reflect it all over the camera. But this is the palette, and this is the lid to the palette. Now, I don't know how I feel about the pull-aparts, because I don't know if it, just put like this, I don't know if I'll drop it, break it, or whatever, because I am super clumsy. But the packaging has changed. It feels more cardboardish rather than a more luxurious, more sturdier cases they were using. This is really lightweight, so we'll see how that works, because I'm not 100% how that's going to work. But this is the package is cute overall. I like the concept of it. You got the reindeer, look like maybe Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. This is like but yeah, I do like the packaging idea. I just don't know how I feel about the two pieces as of now, because I'm so clumsy. And that'd be my fault, right? The next thing I have is the Christmas sponge set, and this retails for $10. By the way, the palette retails for $16. The you have a two-piece Christmas sponge set. You have this extra large sponge, and then you have a regular size sponge. Now I know I'll definitely be using this regular size sponge, and this is, like I said, your Christmas edition. I don't know if they're going to keep this color around, but I know definitely it's on their website now as a Christmas edition. I believe the website may be 25% off right now, 25 or 35, maybe 25. I thought I had my phone in here with me. I was going to check right quick. I do. I think they're having a sale right now, if I'm not mistaken. Let's check and see. Because earlier, I think yesterday or something, they had a, yes, 25% off right now. If they're still on here, I think they're, yeah, their entire site. Mainly, I mean, besides maybe like the mirrors, the big mirrors. I know most of the cosmetics and, you know, beauty tools and stuff are 25% off as of now. If anybody want to catch some of their sales, really awesome. I actually have a box coming in with a bunch of goodies that I bought right leading up to Christmas. It just hadn't come in yet. A lot of goodies that I want to share with you all. But anyways, I'm getting off topic. Let's get back on this subscription box. So the next thing I have is this Rudolph red lip liner. Now this lip liner retails for $4. And this is what the lip liner looks like. And I want to say I ordered this baby. I don't know, because I didn't know what was coming in my box or not, because the box came a little later than usual. So I didn't know what was in it. So when I saw the red pencil and it was on sale, I think now, I'm not sure, I think I put this pencil in there. I may or not, but this is the red lip liner. The next item is the sponge protector, and I have been eyeballing this thing for a while too, and I can't wait to use this. If you stick your sponge down in there, and this sponge protector retails for $6, and I guess you just put it down in here and just close it up. Do it go this way or that way? I'm not sure. Maybe it's this way. And it breathes too. So yeah, it goes this way, Lurella. This is the sponge protector. So I'm definitely excited about this. I don't know if I'm going to be using it. I got to pull at it like this to get my sponge back out. But I do like the idea of it. I'll probably, if I do use, I'll probably put one in this side and one on this side and just leave it open. Maybe that way instead of closing it all together. But this do retails for $6. And then I have a pair of tweezers. And the tweezers retail for $5. And this is a rose gold pair of tweezers. I did not open them because I have so many tweezers. Do I have a pair of rose tweezers? I normally get the eyelash applicator. They've never sent me a pair of tweezers. Let's see if I can open it. They never sent me a pair of tweezers, but I like these little scissors that I got from. These are some nice scissors. If you want some good scissors, I would say take advantage of that 25% off. If you plan on buying some stuff from them, they have some amazing beauty tools. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Rose gold. I love rose gold. I love rose gold. Y'all see my nails rose gold? I love me some rose gold. My necklace rose gold. I just love rose gold. The little rose gold tweezer. Nice. I like it. And it's so luxurious feel. These scissors as well. And I think I ordered a rose gold pair. I'm not 100% sure. I think I did. And again, the tweezers retail for $5. Then I have this little silicone foam pad, and you peel the back off and stick it on the back of your phone to keep it from sliding and gripping. I may do that. Stick it on here, and when you lay it down, it keeps it from sliding all over the place. I just don't want to mess up my case because I just got this phone for Christmas. A treat to myself, so I don't know if I'm ready for that yet since I had to pay so much for this case. But I'm going to hang on to this and see if I got the nerve up to stick it on the back of that phone case. But we'll see. I may have to do it because I may drop it and wish I had to stick it back there. The next thing is the GLITZ mirror. And that is this little small mirror. And this mirror retails for $8. $8, y'all. But we're going to see what it's like. Because I know I had ordered a fan from them and the fan did not work. I didn't want to send that little fan back. Oh, cutie. Look at the mirror. And it's $8. Does it come on? How do you turn it on? Man. That's cute. Look at the mirror. Cutie patootie. This will be perfect. Oh, and you got, it's a zoom. Okay. This is the zooming, and that's the standard. Oh, you know what? This will be nice to do some eyebrows and stuff where you can't see. Because like me, I can't see. I'm blind as a bat. I like it. It's cute. This is definitely going in my purse. Can I cut it back off? Yeah, this is cute. And it retails for $8. And just imagine putting in your cart with another 25% off. Super cute, super cute. Then the last items in my box is 2 individual brushes, and they retails for $8 each. And when I tell you, they do have some amazing brushes. I love Lurella's brushes. That's why I'm surprised this month we didn't get a brush set, because normally they're giving away brush sets like water. When I tell you, almost every box I've gotten this year, I've gotten a brush set. And they have some amazing, amazing brushes. Now the 2 brushes I got in this box, this one is a eyebrow brush pencil. The spoolie on one end and the brush on the other end to do your brows. Oh, it's pretty sturdy. It might be a pretty good brush, so I can't wait to use it. Nice. And then the other brush, this is, you know, I love this BH number 12 brush I'm always using. This kind of reminds you of that big, large, fluffy brush that you can use shadows in your crease area to set that top portion of your eye. I could see myself using this for that. This is nice. But Lurella has some nice products anyways. They're always having sales and stuff like that. So I shared with you all what I've received in this December box. If you get the subscription box, let me know your thoughts on it, because I believe everything everyone gets is the same. I don't think anybody get anything different. Maybe like the tweezers may be a different color, the scissors may be a different color. But I think overall everything else, maybe like the glosses or lipsticks or something like that. But I think overall the palette and the other items are pretty much standard in the box. But let me know your thoughts on it if you received this subscription. If not, then if you want to try a subscription box, I love it because of the eyeshadow palettes. I'm an eyeshadow palette fanatic. I love eyeshadow palettes. So if you love eyeshadow palettes, I would definitely say get it, because you get the palette first before they even put out for retail sale for everyone else to purchase. You can I just love it, love it, love it. I can't rave enough about Lurella, because I think if it's one subscription I keep, it's probably Lurella. Simply because I love eyeshadow palettes mainly, and you know you're guaranteed an eyeshadow palette every month. So I share with you all what I received, my thoughts on it. Let me know if you received this box, how you feel about the box, and what items you prefer in the box over the eyeshadow palette. I love the palettes. But enough of me ranting and raving, because y'all and I can go on for days and days and days and days and days. But I'm not going to do that today. So if you haven't done so already, comment, like, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And become a part of my YouTube family here. I would love to have you here. And I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.